Hey, hi, how are you?
Hi.
Hi, I'm Rajbir.
Hi, I'm
How's-
Baneet.
Baneet, hi Baneet. So, how's the day going?
Oh, great.
Great?
Yeah.
So, Baneet, I work for an immigration company
Okay.
and I just wanted to ask you some random questions.
Oh,
Is it all right with you?
Yeah.
So, are you an immigrant here?
Yeah, but I've come here as a student. I'm right now studying.
Oh, you're coming here as a student.
Yeah.
Where have you studying and what are you studying?
I'm studying at AUT actually. It's been great. I think the campus is really beautiful. It's a huge place. Professors are good. We have a really good library. So it's a great place to study at.
And how long you have been in New Zealand?
Almost a year now, and I should be finishing my studies in about 6 months.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You're enjoying thoroughly, right?
Yeah. It's been great.
Right. I was a student sometime back and I really
Okay.
wanted to study in AUT,
Oh, really?
but I couldn't, yeah.
Do you want to see the campus?
Is it allowed?
Sure. I think I can show you from outside some of the areas.
Oh, yeah, sure. Come.
Yeah, let's go.
Come. So, from which side?
We can go from here.
Okay. So, how's the campus life in New Zealand as a student?
It's great. It's been nice. The education here is not overburdened on you. So we have very few lectures in the week, and they give you more time to work on your assignments, to do research, to prepare for exams if you have exams, and it's not very overbearing.
Right.
And you do have a life outside of college, and you get your chance to do that. If you're working part time, you get to work.
Right.
So yeah, it's great. It's great.
Can we sit and talk?
Yeah, let's go. We can sit somewhere.
Yeah. As a student, what challenges have you faced and are facing in New Zealand as an immigrant?
Coming from India, I think the biggest challenge is the difference in the way education is done over here. In India, I'm sure you've also experienced this. You're meant to learn in classrooms. You have textbooks. You learn answers. You learn theories and concepts, and then you write them down in exams. The biggest difference here was they teach you how to apply things, apply concepts, apply theories, especially in marketing. So the biggest difference was I had to not only show that I have understood things, but practically execute them in forms of presentations, assignments, papers, essays. So that's the biggest difference, and it was the biggest challenge in the beginning, but I think I'm doing well right now. So yeah, it's been great.
Can you share something for people who are thinking of coming to New Zealand? They are considering New Zealand, but they have some doubts. Should they think New Zealand to be their study destination, or should they think Canada, UK, or USA, or for that matter Australia over New Zealand?
So I think the biggest thing that people think is New Zealand is a much smaller country, so maybe the education here is not on par with bigger countries and well-known institutions around the world like US and UK and all. But I think the quality of education here is as good as any other country for that matter. The professors here are very experienced. They've not only they're not only good teachers and all, they've also have practical experience and worked in the industry. Many people have worked for decades in the industry before coming to teaching. So the quality of education here is on par from any other country in the world. And I think because so many people for the last so many years are going to places like US, UK, Canada, etc., it gets difficult to go there. But you can be a smarter one and make a choice to come here, because it's far easier to come here, I think, than any other country right now. So yeah, I think you should select New Zealand as your preferred destination and not keep it as your second, third choice or anything for that matter. Yeah. So this is one of our entrance gates for AUT.
Okay.
Come, I'll just show you around. So the first things that you see when you come in through this gate is one of our outdoor recreational areas. We have a lot of small events here, some expos, student association meetings, all of that in this outdoor area.
Right.
And as you can see, we have a lot of restaurants here. We even have a grocery store, a general store, and we even have our own bar called West Bar over here. And yeah, a lot of space for students to just sit, chill, hang out, talk to their classmates, have fun over here, and quite a big open space. Very nice and sunny, as you can see.
Where are the classes?
Come this way. I'll just show you around.
Can we go near that?
Yeah, let's try. Why not? Come, I'll show you the library and other spaces that we have here. So as you can see on the left, this is our library. It's a huge space where we have areas with computers for students to sit and work on, different areas for students to sit and study on their own, sit with their laptops, do assignments, do group assignments. So we have a lot of space for that. It's about 3 floors. This way.
So where we are going now?
I'm going to take you to where my classrooms are. The business building where my lectures happen.
Right.
And we're going to walk towards it. We also have a rec center, so I can show you that also. We have a few restaurants here. This is also another outdoor space between different campus buildings.
Right.
So they've made good use of it where students can come and sit between lectures and talk, have fun.
Right.
Or sit and, grab a bite and work on their assignments. So,
Nice,
yeah,
nice.
this way. You can see that's the business building. So all the business MBAs, masters, diplomas, all those lectures happen here.
This is the building.
Yes. So you can see behind me, these are one of our classrooms. Can't really talk loudly, there is a lecture going on, but this was one of my classrooms in the last semester. So this is my building, business building. So now we are outside my building, and across the street you can see is the other AUT building. So that's Unilodge, one of the student accommodations here. And right next to it over there is the recreation center. A lot of students spend time there playing sports. We have different indoor sports over there, and we also have a gaming lounge where students can come and play video games on their free time. See inside, this is the other side of the basketball court, and here you can see a lot of table tennis tables set up. And a lot of students come here and spend their free time.
Thank you so much, buddy. I
You're
really
welcome, you're
appreciate
welcome.
your time.
No problem at all.
Really
Yeah,
appreciate
you're
it.
welcome. Nice meeting you.
Yes, same here. And if you have any immigration related issues in the future, for your work visa or your residency, do contact us, AJV Global. So as I said, I work for AJV Global, one of the best immigration company based in New Zealand.
Right.
So if you have any, problems in the future when you migrate from the student life to work life, so do contact us. And
Definitely. I think I tried to do this visa on my own, and it was very tough. It was very difficult understanding the correct terminologies to use, the correct language to use when you're filling in an application and filling in your SOP, etc. So I think using somebody experienced like AJV, I think will be very handy when I'm applying for my post-study work visa and even residency visa in the future, hopefully.
Yeah.
So I'm definitely gonna look it up.
absolutely, it will
Yeah,
happen.
yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.